At sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo, ito ang inyong katungkulan na palakihin siya sa kautusan ng Diyos gaya ng tinuro ni Kristo sa magitan ng pagmamahal sa Diyos at sa kapwa.
Just you and me, while the earth stands still.
Welcome to the Christian World, Gab Gab. We are so happy na nandito kami para i-celebrate itong special day para sa'yo. Sana lumaki kang mabait and mapagmahal. And again, happy birthday. We love you.
It's just open road. Say you'll stay with me forever. Say you'll be my only love.
Wish ko lang po na si Gab lumaking may takot sa Diyos and sana makatapos din siya ng pag-aaral. Tapos kung ano yung mga wish niya sa buhay, goal niya sa life, maayos lahat yon. Na maging good boy, lahat-lahat ng mga pwedeng para maging masaya palagi ang baby namin.
We've got the whole world at our feet. We'll take our time. Yeah, we'll be who we wanna be. Under this sky, I'm so alive when you're with me.
Happy birthday, Gab! Wish ko sa'yo is lumaki kang mabuti and always pray and lagi ng mommy and daddy. We love you, Gab! May you grow up healthy and kind and surrounded by people you love. We love you, Gab Gab! Hi, Gab! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang sa'yo is mas lumaki kang healthy, masayahin. Tulad ng kuya mo, na si Kuya Primo. Tandaan mo lang lagi nandito si tita, yung mga tita mo na gagabay sa'yo in every step.
Happy birthday, Gab!
Happy birthday, Gab!
Happy birthday, Gab!
Say you'll be
Happy birthday, Gab!
my only love.
Siyempre, mabait, masanurin sa mami, daddy, and may respeto sa lahat ng tao, hindi lang sa nakakatanda, kahit sa mas bata, sa kaedad. Ayan, may respectful na bata.
Maging maka-Diyos siya. Gab, happy birthday, Gab. We love you so much. Mommy and Daddy are always here for you. So, just in case na magka-problema ka someday, lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami ni Daddy for you and Primo. So, we love you so much, baby. And I hope you will be a good boy growing up. Happy birthday, Gab. We love you. Happy birthday, Gab. We love you.
Happy birthday, Gab Gab. We love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Gab. We love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Gab! We love you!